is up, guys? We're going to talk about a really cool phone today. Imagine you take every single good thing from flagship device, 90Hz screen, UFS 3.0, all that good stuff. You put it together and you get the OnePlus 7 Pro. The OnePlus 7 Pro is really cool and is brought into Malaysia by Xianfeng. And because of them, we get to try out the phone today. So have a closer look at our hands-on and first impressions. Let's get into the tech specs and features for this device. This smartphone measures at 6.67 inches with a true infinity display and thin bezels. You'll find the screen to be one of the best parts about this phone with its fluid AMOLED display and Quad HD Plus support. It truly lives up to the fast and smooth hashtag with its 90Hz refresh rate. Now that you have a really good viewing experience on the phone, couple that with some really amazing sound thanks to the Dolby Atmos supported speakers on the device. Now, let's talk camera. The OnePlus 7 Pro comes with a triple rear camera setup with a 48 megapixel main sensor, 16 megapixel ultra wide sensor, and 8 megapixel telephoto sensor. It comes with a 3x optical zoom for that super nice zoom pictures, and not just that, it also takes some pretty awesome portrait shots, especially when it comes to the color. As for the selfie camera, you'll find a commendable 16 megapixel sensor housed in the pop-up camera. Powering the device is a 4000 mAh battery capacity supported by the Warp Charge 3.0, which can charge your device from 0 to 100 while gaming no problem because you won't be sacrificing any charging speed. Under the hood, the device comes with a Snapdragon 855 chipset, an impressive 12GB of RAM coupled with a 256GB of internal storage, as well as the UFS 3.0 storage, which helps downloading and transferring files a lot faster. And there you have it, guys. That is the OnePlus 7 Pro. Really cool phone here in Malaysia. So if you want to hear about the full coverage as well as the price, as well as the tech specs and everything else in between, head on over to technave.com and we have the full coverage article up on our website. I'm Natasha and I'm signing out because I want to go book a puasa now. Ciao!